Okay, so in this short demonstration I'm going to be showing you how drag and drop works. First we're going to sign into the Teacher web application. From here we can add quizzes, or view student results. So let's go ahead and add a quiz. Now we're brought to the Add Quiz page. In here we give the quiz a type, so SQL, Java or C, and we'll give the quiz a name. Call this one Easy SQL Quiz. Now hit next. Now we're brought to a page, Add Questions. In here we can add any number of questions. We just add the database schema for the SQL quizzes. I'll just copy that in. We're also going to need an objective or a goal that we want the students to accomplish. So this one is return all students with the last name Smith. It's a fairly easy example. Next, we're going to paste in the correct code into the bigger box, just down here. So this is the code that you want the students to ultimately get through using the mobile application. And we're just going to quickly add another question, similar to the last one. And we just paste that in. Grab the correct code again. Copy that. And paste it in. So now the questions fields are all populated. And we can go ahead and finish that quiz. So once you hit finish, you're presented with the unique password for that quiz. Now let's head over to the mobile application where we can log in as a student. You can see the home page there. There's a couple of different options. So we'll go into the quizzes and just type in the password that we previously saw. So this password is unique to each quiz, and as long as the student has access to the password, they can sit quizzes at any time, anywhere. So once it's entered then, the student will be able to sit that quiz that we just added. So you're presented with the objective, which is the goal, and the quiz schema. And now the user is presented with the drag and drop interface, where the question that the teacher added has been pulled in and fragmented and jumbled up, and now the student has to put them in the correct order. So select first name, last name from student, where last name is equal to Smith. And they can toggle the objective or the schema at any time during a quiz. So now they hit next, and the next question for that quiz is presented. So they have the objective there again, and the schema, and they can drag and drop blocks into the target zone by simply tapping and holding until the phone vibrates. So select last name from students, where x is greater than 0. Now this is an example where the question has been gotten wrong. So straight away the students can check their results. You can see for the Easy SQL quiz, we received 50%, so we obviously got one wrong. And we can check a graph in the performance section, which gives a detailed overview of your grades so far. Now if we go into the practice questions, these are all the questions that you've gotten wrong previously. so it gives you a chance to go over them and repeat ones you've gotten wrong. So we'll just quickly do this one. Returning the max rating for the movie. And we've gotten that one right. So now we can go to the next one, which we just got wrong in the previous quiz. We'll see if we can get it right this time. And now that's all done. And we have no more practice questions. And you're presented with a little toast that lets you know the practice questions are populated from the incorrect quiz attempts. So now, if we head back over to our web application, we can view any quizzes that we've posted. So we can see the one we've just set up, the Easy SQL quiz. We can delete that quiz or add more to it. If we click this home button, we can go into results and get any of the results for the quizzes that students asked. So we can see my one has gone in there, and there is an option to download the results in CSV format in your internet browser, which can then be opened up in Excel. And you can see there the results for the quiz are in Excel. Now that was the demonstration for the drag and drop mobile application. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.